Welcome, trailblazers, innovators, and future shapers to House Lux Estate, your hub for all things business and technology. We're here to help you navigate the digital landscape, providing insights that empower you to leverage technology for growth. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a tech enthusiast just starting your journey, you've found your home. We explore the cutting edge, the innovative, the transformative. So buckle up, because today we delve deep into the world of artificial intelligence and its application in data analysis. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been a hot topic for the last decade. But what exactly is it? Well, in its simplest form, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to imbue software or machines with the ability to learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It's like having a digital mind that can analyze, learn, and predict. But it's not just a fancy concept from science fiction movies. It's a real, practical tool that's already transforming the world around us. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. It's automating tasks, making systems more efficient, and opening up new possibilities for innovation. Consider the healthcare industry, for instance. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly by analyzing medical images. It's predicting patient health risks based on patterns in their medical histories. It's even helping researchers discover new drugs. In the realm of finance, AI is being used to detect fraudulent transactions in real time, saving companies millions of dollars. It's aiding investment decisions by analyzing market trends and predicting future movements. In the retail sector, AI is personalizing customer experiences by predicting what products a customer might like based on their browsing and purchase history. It's optimizing inventory management by predicting demand and supply trends. And let's not forget about the entertainment industry. Ever wondered how Netflix or Spotify always seem to know what you'll like? That's AI at work, analyzing your viewing or listening habits and recommending content accordingly. But here's the key takeaway. AI is not about replacing humans. It's about augmenting human capabilities, freeing us from mundane tasks so we can focus on what really matters. It's about making our lives easier, our work more productive, and our world more innovative. So, what does this mean for businesses? It means a world of opportunities. It means the ability to analyze vast amounts of data, uncover hidden insights, make informed decisions, and ultimately drive business growth. Now that we understand what AI is, let's explore how it can be used in data analysis. Data is the new oil, and AI is the new engine that processes this oil. We live in an era where data is generated at an unprecedented rate. Every click, every swipe, every purchase, every interaction online or offline generates data. This data, when analyzed, provides valuable insights, which can be the difference between a thriving business and a failing one. But here's the thing, the sheer volume of data can be overwhelming. Traditional data analysis methods often fall short when it comes to dealing with this deluge of data. This is where artificial intelligence steps in. AI, with its machine learning algorithms, can sift through massive data sets, identify patterns and trends, and generate insights that would be impossible to glean manually. Consider the case of Netflix. The streaming giant uses AI to analyze viewing patterns of its millions of subscribers. This data analysis helps Netflix understand what its viewers like, what they don't like, and what they might like. The result? Personalized recommendations that keep viewers hooked, and a content strategy that's driven by data, not guesswork. Or take the example of healthcare companies. They use AI to analyze patient data and predict health risks. This proactive approach to healthcare not only improves patient outcomes, but also helps healthcare providers allocate resources more efficiently. The benefits of AI in data analysis are manifold. It can process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. It can uncover hidden patterns that might be missed by the human eye. It can adapt and learn from new data. And most importantly, it can turn raw data into actionable insights that can drive business growth. AI in data analysis is not a distant future, but a present reality. Companies across industries, from retail to healthcare, from entertainment to finance, are leveraging AI to make sense of their data, and in the process, transforming their business operations. AI has certainly changed the data analysis landscape. But how do we go about implementing AI in data analysis? Stay tuned to find out. Implementing AI in data analysis might seem daunting, but it's not as complex as it sounds. Let's break it down. First, we must understand that the process of using AI in data analysis involves several stages, each as crucial as the next. The first stage is data collection. This is where we gather all the information we need. At this point, it's essential to ensure the data is accurate and relevant. You can use various tools and techniques to collect data, such as web scraping, surveys, and data mining. Next comes data cleaning. This step involves removing any inconsistencies, duplicates, or errors in the data. This is crucial because even the most sophisticated AI system can't make sense of inaccurate or messy data. There are programs and software out there that can help with this step, ensuring your data is as clean and consistent as possible. Now, we move on to data preparation. This is where we structure the data in a way that the AI system can understand and process. This might involve converting text data into numerical data, categorizing data, or normalizing data to ensure it's on the same scale. Once the data is clean and prepared, we're ready for the exciting part, training the AI system. In this stage, the AI system is given the cleaned and prepared data to learn from. The system uses this data to identify patterns, trends, and relationships. This is the heart of the process, where the AI system becomes capable of understanding and interpreting the data. After training comes validation. Here, the AI system is tested with a separate set of data to see if it can accurately predict outcomes based on what it has learned. This step ensures that the AI system is reliable and effective before being put to use. Finally, we have data interpretation. This is where the AI system's findings are analyzed and translated into actionable insights. This might involve creating visualizations, reports, or dashboards that clearly communicate the AI system's findings. Remember, the goal of using AI in data analysis is to extract valuable insights from data that can help drive decision-making. Whether it's identifying trends, predicting future outcomes, or uncovering hidden patterns, AI can offer a level of analysis that's simply not possible with traditional methods. And let's not forget about the benefits of using AI in data analysis. First, there's the speed. AI can process large amounts of data much faster than a human could. Second, there's the accuracy. AI systems are less prone to errors, especially when dealing with large data sets. And third, there's the ability to handle complex data. AI can analyze and interpret data that's too complex for traditional data analysis methods. So don't be intimidated by the thought of using AI in data analysis. With the right tools and a solid understanding of the process, it's entirely within your grasp. And the benefits are well worth the effort. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to use AI for data analysis. We've covered a lot today, so let's do a quick recap. Indeed, artificial intelligence, or AI, has been an intriguing topic. It's not just a concept from science fiction movies anymore. It's real, it's here, and it's changing the way we conduct our businesses. We learned that AI is a vast domain, encompassing various technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, robotics, and more. In the realm of data analysis, AI has emerged as an invaluable tool. It's helping us make sense of the massive amounts of data that businesses generate daily. We've seen how AI can automate the process of data analysis, thereby saving time and resources. It can sift through piles of data, identifying patterns and insights that would have been impossible for human analysts to find within a reasonable time frame. We've also walked through the step-by-step process of implementing AI in data analysis. It's not as daunting as it might seem. It starts with identifying the business problem you want to solve. Then, you gather and prepare the data for analysis. You'll need to ensure that your data is clean, accurate, and relevant. Next, you choose the right AI tool or algorithm that suits your needs. You train the AI with your data, and then you deploy it to start analyzing and learning from the data. The final step is to interpret the results and make informed business decisions based on these insights. AI in data analysis is not just a trend, it's the future. It's making businesses smarter, more efficient, and more competitive. If you're not already leveraging AI, you're missing out on a wealth of opportunities to optimize your operations and gain a competitive edge. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insightful videos on business and technology. Until next time, keep innovating and shaping the future.